So I'm going to say something controversial, obviously.
Absolutely. We like that. How do you build trust at scale?
Yeah, that's one thing AI cannot help right now. The way we know GCCs today, my opinion is that won't exist tomorrow.
Like we'll have two operating systems like the Android and the iOS operating system, and then everybody will be building agents and apps on top of that.
Possibly. That's what we have come across, right?
I'm a consultant. I will ask you for a framework. I cannot. It's our DNA.
AI has all the answers, but what's the right question? That still leaders have to provide. I think our job is not necessarily to only rely on heroes, but make sure that we give ability for the entire organization to play heroes. It sounds very profound the way you said it, but yes, that's essentially it is.
We're profound on the go. It's a very transformative way to think. It's like a lot to ingest. And for us as consultants, it's like a more interesting way to think through it.
And now you're stretching it too far.